Hello student, I am Mrs. Shweta Shailendra Pandare, Assistant Teacher, Vidyapit High School, Kolhapur. Chapter 4, Effects of Electric Current. Next point, electric motor. Students, you study various forms of energy and you also know that energy can change its forms. Here, electric motor in our daily use. So, electric motor is used in day to day life in fans, refrigerators, mixers, washing machines, computers, pumps, that much more devices that we are known. Let's see the definition of electric motor. A device changing electrical energy into mechanical energy is known as electric motor. After definition, see principle on which electric motor work. When a current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field experiences a force. In the last video, we seen force acting on current carrying conductor in presence of magnetic field. That is the activity we seen previous. So these are the strong magnet. This is current carrying conductor, and when this current carrying conductor is placed in the magnetic field of these two strong magnet, it experiences force. So again see, when a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field experiences a force. This is a principle on which electric motor work. Construction of an electric motor. So, which components are used in this electric motor? Electric motor consists of rectangular loop of copper wire having resistive coating. So, this is that A, B, C, D is copper wire having resistive coating. It is placed between north pole and south pole of magnet. So this is the north pole and this is south pole. This is horseshoe shaped magnet. We see only the two ends of this magnet. So this wire is placed in between north pole and south pole of magnet in such a way that its branches AB and CD are perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. So this is the magnetic field of horseshoe shaped magnet, and the branches that A, B and C, D are perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. So this is direction of magnetic field and these are perpendicular to that. The two ends of loop are connected to two halves of split ring. So here brown colored split rings are present, and these two ends of this copper wire, that X and Y, are connected to these split rings. Two halves of the ring having resistive coating on their inner surface and are tightly fitted on the axle. So these split rings on inner side, this is the inner side of these two split rings, and these having resistive coating inner surface, and this is tightly fitted on this axle. This is axle and these split ring are tightly fitted on this axle. Two halves of the split ring X and Y. So these X and Y are the two halves, have their outer conducting surface in contact with two stationary carbon brushes that are E and F. So these E and F are carbon brushes, and outer surface of this split ring is contact with these two carbon brushes, which is stationary. Means that in this the copper wire, split ring and axle are in moving condition, but these the carbon brushes are stationary. Carbon brushes are used because carbon is good conductor of electricity. Then last component is battery, that is the source of current. So this is construction of an electric motor. Let's see the working of electric motor. Working of an electric motor: when the circuit is completed as shown in figure, by using battery and plug key join to this the copper wire and circuit is completed, the current flows in branch AB of the loop from A to B through the carbon brushes E and F. So current is flow through this loop from A to B. Since the direction of magnetic field is from North Pole to South Pole, these are strong magnet. The magnetic field produced by this magnet, the direction of magnetic field is from North Pole to South Pole. According to Fleming's left hand rule that we study in the last video, a force is exerted on the branch AB. So when we place a current carrying conductor in the magnetic field, it experiences a force. That is why the force is exerted on branch AB and pushes it down. So this branch push down. The current in CD branch is branch in a opposite direction to that of the AB branch. Let's see here, current flows in this direction by arrows shown in the figure, the direction of the current. So in this branch current flows from C to D, that is opposite direction to that in the AB branch, and therefore the force is exerted on the branch CD in upward direction. So branch CD having force in upward direction, branch AB pushes downward direction and branch CD pushes upward direction. After half rotation means what? That CD branch come to here at the position of AB, and AB branch, because of this pushes to the downward direction, this gets the place of, that is, CD branch. After half rotation, the two halves of the splittering X and Y come in contact with carbon brushes F and E respectively. So when these the loop are get changed, then the halves also get changed and come in the contact with carbon brushes F and E respectively, because they are stationary, and that rings, hal, and this the copper wire and axle is moving condition, and the current in loop start flowing in the direction that DCBA. So let's see here that this D is take the position of A, this C is the take the position of B. Hence, the current is start flowing from D, C, B, A. Therefore, a force is exerted on the branch DC in downward direction and on the branch BA in the upward direction. So again this side is here, hence the force is exerted on that, and that comes downward direction, and AB again this pushes to the upward direction because of the force. Thus the current in the loop is reversed after each half rotation, and the loop and the axle continue to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So the direction is anti-clockwise direction, as like this copper wire or the loop is rotate, and axle is also rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So as like this, the working of the electric motor is here. When current is get switch off, the loop stops rotating after some time. Uses of an electric motor. Electric motor is used in home appliances such as mixer, blender, a refrigerator, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, tape recorder, CD player, then blower, fan, hair dryer, etc. Electric motor used in electric car, rolling mill, and also in electric crane, electric lift, then a pump that used in our home also, then used in computers, and also an electric motor used in electric trains. So many equipment that having electric motor and working by use of this electric motor. So in this video we study about electric motor, then principle on which electric motor works, then construction and working of electric motor, and at last uses of an electric motor.